Example is going to show how to apply the properties of equality when solving an equation. So given the equation 3x plus 5 equals 10, you would first isolate the variable by subtracting 5 from both sides. So if we were going to subtract 5 from both sides, that means that we are using the subtraction property of equality, which I am going to abbreviate with POE. Once you subtracted 5 from both sides, you would have to isolate x by either multiplying by 1/3 or dividing by 3. And I'm going to say divide by 3. So because I am using division, that would mean that I am using the division property of equality. Again, all this seems kind of obvious, and that's because you all know how to solve equations so well. But again, the reason why we are able to solve these equations is because of these properties.